What's the meaning of aperitif? Aperitif. Aperitif. Aperitif.
Aperitif. Aperitif. An aperitif is a drink consumed before a meal to stimulate the appetite. It is usually an alcoholic beverage, such as wine, vermouth, or a cocktail, and is served in small glasses. The purpose of an aperitif is to prepare the palate for the upcoming meal by triggering the digestive system's production of digestive enzymes. Additionally, it can help to relax the diner and facilitate socializing. The tradition of consuming an aperitif before meals originated in France but has since spread to other cultures around the world.